Hi everyone. Thank you so much to everybody who attended our open house this year for 2025. This past Saturday was April 26th. It ran from 9 a.m. until 3 p.m. It was a little bit chilly out, but we absolutely appreciate everyone coming by and exploring the entire dealership, getting a chance to see our service department, having a wander out in our yard. It was absolutely fantastic to see everybody, and we really appreciate you taking the time to also stop by all of our vendor booths. It just made their day so great as well. So thank you so much. So I am going to do the draw for the Skimmer 70 pack, which that was the tube, the flat tube where you kind of lay on top of it, had the neoprene, and it comes with a tow rope as well. So we are going to do that. So I did go through all of our invoices from the day as well, along with any of the other opportunities for prizes. So I went through and just made sure that this list kind of contains everybody in there. So again, thank you so much. So now we have the one prize pack. So this one we are only going to click to spin once, and we will see who the winner is. And it looks like, Larry Doan. Larry, congratulations. We will reach out to you and we will make the arrangements to get that Skimmer 70 pack to you and Miranda. Have a really great day. Thank you again, everybody.